Let's try again. Are we live, guys? Can someone tell me? Are we live? Let me know, guys. Can you see me? Yeah, I should be live, guys. So welcome. I just can see myself now from my different device. I should be live. So let me say hi to everyone. Chris Penne. Hello, Chris Penne. Welcome everyone to this stream. I'll quickly shout out the stream on my Telegram calls channel. So hold on for a bit. Welcome everyone. Welcome to this stream. Jerson, hello Jerson, how are you doing today? Where are you from? I'm from Estonia. I've just posted about this stream on my Telegram calls channel. Let's wait for people to join. And today is going to be kind of a test stream. Because I just bought the MacBook for the purpose of streaming. And let me know, guys, if you find any technical issues. For example, if the camera is glitchy, or if the microphone is too high or too low, or is glitching, or if the screen is glitching, let me know about everything if you notice any issues on your end. But this stream should be 1K P, so this should be good. Welcome everyone. Say hello, I will say hi back. We have about 10 people now. Can you hear me, guys? Is the camera working well? And the agenda, Bam Gum, hello. Sir Weed, hello. Are you gonna trade on this live? Maybe, maybe not. You know, the agenda for this live, I thought we'll start first of all with a little Tami analysis, since I think that, you know, lots of you guys are into Tami or want to, you know, ape into Tami, and there is demand for this analysis, so I think we should start off this live with that. But afterwards, you guys can show me your coins, or we'll look at some coins in Pump.FUN, and this will be more like an educational stream. So you guys can learn and we can test this out whether it works. This is the main purpose of this stream. Just gonna be 45 minutes, 1 hour, maybe 2 hours. We're going to test out whether it works. It works perfectly, nice. Black no, hi. Yes, good quality, amazing. Analysis on Aruk, perhaps. But yeah, let's first of all do a Temi analysis. I made a video about Temi. I posted it like yesterday or a few days ago, and as we can see here, guys, I told you in this video that Temi most likely can consolidate, or it could go up, because as you can see, it really dropped down here. It went up again for like a second wave, kind of. We can say it's a second wave, or it's also the first wave, really, depending on the perspective. We can see it went up again from here, just from $40K in market cap back to 150, almost 160. But now it's kind of struggling. As you can see, it's consolidating, but it's right at the support level. As you can see, 23K is a strong support level for Temi, and it's the first one. As you can see, dip formed a support level. We have another support level, which we broke through. By the way, it didn't hold, but it was at $40K in market cap. So right now we're holding well, it's consolidating, And we have to take into consideration, guys, the market conditions, the current market conditions, and the meme coin market is kind of dry. And people are, the BTC is dumping, Solana price has dumped almost 50%, and people are cashing out of Solana. They're selling their Solana, and there is less volume in meme coins. There is fear, there is bleeding on the streets of cryptocurrency. So you guys gotta take that into consideration, that right now is not that prosperous time for the coins to pump. The coins, the most bullish ones, even the WIF, the bonk, even them, even they are not pumping. So expecting something from Tami at the moment, I wouldn't for days or for weeks. However, the buy level, the entry here is amazing because I think this level will hold. I don't think it's likely to go down because Tami has a strong community. That's why I don't think it will go down for less, because there is demand for the token, there is community, about 500 members in the Telegram, and the usual buy levels that I have are those ones, 83k, 56k for Tami. So those are also good if Tami happens to go up, which I think is a question of time. If it comes back to those levels, those technically would be my dip levels, and those could be good. So if you're fearful, you can wait for the Tami to go up to, let's say, a new all-time high, so above 180k, and then if it comes down to 83k or 56k, you can ape into the dip, but this one is as cheap as it can get for Tami. Now we have 22 people. Say something in the chat, guys. Show me some tokens. We will be reviewing all of the tokens that you show, and of course, share this live stream, like in the Discord of Tami, in the Telegrams, everywhere you can. Share this live stream, guys. It's nice to see lots of people joining in. And I bought this MacBook for the purpose of streaming. It's the first stream on this MacBook, so give me some technical feedback, guys, whether the stream is good, whether you can hear me, and really everything. But I'll go now to PUMP.FUN. We'll check out some live tokens, or you can show me some in the chat. I'll literally review every single one. Felipe, hi. Hello, Felipe. Happy to have you on this stream. Now we should have this off, which we do. I see some inappropriate pictures. But yeah, let's look for some coins. Every time that I turn my head, I'm looking at my other device, just so you guys know. Let's look at this coin, $40k in market cap. The first thing I can see, obviously, is the nice higher low pattern, and it's going up really confidently. So let's take a look what it has for us. Holder distribution, that looks great. The developer still holding, which is nice. The volume clearly is there, but guys, you can see here, this volume is created by the community. So they're trying to bump up this token so people can see the token and ape into it. So this is not real demand for the token, but fake volume, as I'm telling you in my videos, can be good or bad. But if it's community doing it, it's good. If it's a developer creating artificial demand for the token, it's basically baiting you in, which they're likely to rock. But this coin obviously looks great. But show me something in the chat, guys. Show me something in the chat. So we keep it more interesting. We can even make some vote system that Tami does, but we need more people. Did you see yesterday all the tokens randomly became female influencers? Yes, there is like a meta of those live tokens, and of course females showing their parts. It's predictable that they would perform well for like 10 to 20 minutes, and then they just disappeared. Yeah, those metas are short, the trends are always so short. So you got to have your eyes constantly on the market. Let's check out King of the Hill. The first thing we can see, guys, is that it's the first wave token, which it's a pump and dump. They all are. 95% of them die, and we can see here it's already dipping, already at $11k in market cap. So really risky coins. Nothing much to say about this. King of the Hills, first pump, wave tokens, really, really risky. So we shall find some slow mooners, guys. Because I feel like it's the wave, like it's the new kind of meta. Everyone is looking for slow mooners. They are like going up over hours or days. They're not that volatile. So that's really the interesting thing um, about that. It's more of a safe ape. Again, I don't want to say safe because none of those coins are. By the way, you can see fake volume on this coin as well, which I feel like is a community member. It's just one wallet buying up the token. But it's kind of a slow mooner, but it's too late to ape in, as you know. It's at 26k already, so if it goes to radium, which is 60k, that would only be 2x, which is too little for the risk. You always gotta think about that, guys. Is it worth the ape to ape into token at this stage and get a 2x? I don't think it's worth the risk, at least in that token's case. Today I lost 70% of a scam. Yeah, lots of those tokens are scams, rugs, especially the first wave tokens. Hence, I would say to you guys, stay away from first wave tokens at the moment because we have to understand that the market conditions are not that great for the first waivers. They are quick pumps and dumps and you can ape into them if you take your profits out real quick, but it's extremely hard. I would say at the moment it's sort of gambling because even though there can be a trend, but it can be so short-lived, it can die in 10 to 20 minutes. For example, there was like this flags trend of different countries, like I don't know, Singapore, Netherlands, and it lasted for as far as like a few hours. And if you aped and if you held, obviously the coins dumped. So you really can't hold those coins. If you're aping in the first waivers, you should always be in the trade only for a few minutes, at most 5 to 10 minutes or so. But slow mooners you can hold for hours, yes. How you find slow slow mooners? So you always got to look at this place here, obviously on Pound.FUN. I'll try to find some right now, and it shouldn't be hard. It's you got to look at the chart of a coin as it goes up over time. For example, this one, it's not really a slow mooner since it launched 3 hours ago, 2 hours ago, and it's now no, it's now dipping. So the thing is that if you want to spot a slow mooner, it's always a chart, and they usually are like days old, like 1 day, 2 days. Some are weeks old, but weeks old is too much. If the coin is weeks old, there is no demand for it. So slow mooners usually are days old. In rare cases, it can be hours old. So this one, I'm not sure whether we should call it a slow mooner. I wouldn't say so. But yes, it's going up over time and it's its first dip. So I guess we sort of can call it a slow mooner. I mean, I know it's not safe at all, but how can we make money? Make money with slow mooners, guys. Slow mooners are real great at the moment, and we're scanning for them at the moment as well. So I can show you some live and how they look like. This one isn't a slow mooner. It's a pretty new coin. So you always gotta find the old coins, which are ideally days old. And this one, for example, it's really, really new, and you can see it's kind of in the trend, but the trend will fade. You can tell from the name, guys. It's the Binance old CAO. I don't remember his name actually, at CZ. But this trend will die. It's only a matter of time, guys. So this coin, I really wouldn't even look at. Just so you know. This coin, we can see it has a weird chart. That's the first thing I notice. The chart is going up over time, yes. It's 5 hours old, yes. But the chart looks sketchy, like artificially bought, artificially pumped. So no point to look at this really. Why don't you create a coin? Well, I haven't really considered that. I don't know. I just don't want the community to buy in, then lose money, because coin creation, some people will win yes, for sure, but lots of people will lose. And how markets and industries work is that the top 1% of people will win and 99% of people will lose. So that's the thing. Like a few people will win some money, yes, but most of the people would literally lose money. I've created some coins just to test out, just to experiment. I've done like 4 coins just for entertainment purposes for my videos. And yes, there is lots of inappropriate pictures, guys. So a warning for you. This is the first waiver. Let's look for some slow moonies if you can find them. Usually it's easy, but I've noticed that, I mean, it's really common sense, but like right now, there is not that much people online, like always the world. I feel like people are sleeping. Like even in my place, in my country, it's 2 a.m. at the moment. And like the coins are not that, there is not that many coins being launched, and there is not that much volume like on Pound.FUN at the moment. So that's like the issue with this. This could be a nice coin from the looks of the chart. It looks kind of healthy. We can see higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. Is it a slow moon? Not quite. We can see the market cap 18K. So I guess it's worth checking out. Holder distribution looks pretty nice. We can see here developer owning 5%. That's the most someone should own. But look, someone is saying same ruggers everywhere. I'm sick of this. So if you're seeing this FUD, if you're seeing the bearish signs, you should always pay attention and examine whether it's truth or not, because there are so many serial ruggers, quite literally, and you should be really, really careful. Like people are creating coins, like 5, 10 coins, dozens of coins, same guys, same groups, and just dumping on all of you. So you should be real careful. This one we can see the chart is a classic slow moving chart. It looks bullish to me, really healthy chart, as the coin is not that old, just like 5 hours old. The market cap is only 30K. So if you bind right now, you won't even get 2x, so it's late to ape into the token, like the only dip was here at this level. So it's too late, but this is a slow mooner. But we want to look at some coins which we can also track. Like I want to open a bunch of coins and really keep looking at them of like where they go. And we have 30 people, which is nice, guys. Welcome everyone. By the way, just a disclaimer, I'm not good at streaming at the moment. Like I'm not even looking at the camera, like I'm looking at the screen, then on my other device. So it's really, really like unusual. And speaking as well is really hard for me. Like when I record those videos, I always stutter for some reason, and like I'm not even nervous. I just stutter for some reason. I don't know why. I think my English is decent, but sometimes I just stutter. So bear with that, guys. I hope it doesn't bother you too much. Also, my voice really easily goes away for some reason. Once again, I'm not sure why. Like I'm not even screaming. However, it really goes away oftentimes, which is interesting. I don't know why it happens. First wave token, we can see 30K market cap. That's too much. Let me look at the chat, guys. 6 p.m. for you, nice. 12 a.m. There is already May the 4th token. I guess that's the trend. I haven't seen the 4th May token you're referring to, but I would imagine, I guess it's a trend. So if we can see some 4th May tokens, that would be great. We found one Star Wars coin before, 4th May. Guys, I'm not actually aware. Like, what is going on 4th May? Like, what is 4th May? I'm not really aware of this. But we can see, guys, this chart looks great. It's a slow moon. This coin is a day old. So we found this slow moon at the moment. Look at the chart. It's just going up over time, pretty much in a diagonal pattern. And it's been 1 day old. And it's going up right now at $30K in market cap, which is too much. I wouldn't ape into the coin at the moment. I want to emphasize that. However, it could have been a great ape on the way up. So if you spot a slow moon based on the chart, which is not that hard, guys, You just have to have an eye for it. You just gotta look at enough charts so you can spot a slow moon. Once you do, great entry at 15k, or perhaps the top entry would be 20k. 30k I wouldn't enter. But yes, this one is slow mooning. We can actually keep this open. Slow mooners are great to examine always. Like slow mooners are really the meta, they're the wave. Let me open a new tab for us. Also, it's like my first experience with a MacBook, so I'm extremely slow, like with all of this. Like I learned everything, how MacBooks work just today, so I'm really new at this. Sort by creation time. Yeah, we can sort by creation time, but the thing is we're going to be looking at tokens which are $5k in market cap and most of them don't have any demand. So that's the issue. Like I never look at creation time actually. I always look at the bump order because we can see coins which have either replies, volume, buys and sells. So there is interest in those coins. There is demand for the coins. They're being bought, they're being sold. That's why I always look at the bump order. I feel like it's the best thing, the best setting. It's better than creation time for sure. Yeah, we can see like 4 Jerry, like 4th May, 4th May. Can someone tell me what is happening on 4th May? Because it's clearly a trend we can see here. Again, Star Wars. Is it associated with Star Wars somehow? We can see 3 tokens right here, and it's clearly a trend. And they're all performing pretty well. Let me check out this one. I'm not sure if we checked this before. Yeah, I think we did check this before, but we did not check other ones though. So we can if we see them again. This one, again, Star Wars. I haven't seen this, but as you can see, guys, it's a trend for some reason. It's a narrative, and the coins in this narrative are going up. We can see the first wave, but if it's narrative coin, you can ape into the first wave. Again, it's way riskier than slow mooners, but if it's narrative coin, if you sell it quick, yes, you can trade those coins. For example, this one would have been a great trade because it's in the trend, in the narrative. So if you spotted this early, could have been a 2x, 3x so far. Pretty good. We have 20 people. Welcome everyone. May the force be with you. They changed force to 4th. May the 4th be with you. Star Wars nerds. I'm not sure about this trend, guys. Like I'm not aware what's happening on 4th May still. Hello Nick. Hello Zakaria. Welcome to the stream. Welcome everyone. Really happy to have you guys. This coin we checked before. So guys, show me some coins in the chat if you want me to either analyze those coins or just check them out. Like I'm happy to do everything. We don't have too many people, so I'm sure I can check every coin. PUMP.FUN right now seems to be kind of dry. This coin, first waiver, already at $40k market cap. That's not an ape. This one is Star Wars coin. We could take a look at this. It just went up 20% already at $10k in market cap. So Star Wars is the trend of the day, at least right now, which is great when you spot that, guys. So we spotted that trend, great. Now we got to look at those Star Wars tokens and really find more of them. That's how it works. Someone owning 8% of the supply is kind of bad. Volume looks pretty good though. Not too much volume, but it's very enough to pump. But as you know, most of those coins will die, especially if they're copycats. Usually if there is a trend or narrative, the first coins of the trend or of the narrative are going to moon, are going to go up, but copycats later can make you money 2 to 3x, but usually they wouldn't go up just to the level of the first trend setters, you know what I mean, guys. This coin we can see is going down. We can keep the tab open, but it will go down for sure. Look at this coin already. You could make it 2x maybe if you're lucky, but this really is a gamble. First wave token and there is not enough volume. Like now we can clearly see the volume isn't enough. Like it's not supporting the uptrend. You know, the people, there's not enough demand for the price to pump. As simple as that. At least as of right now, there isn't. You know, volume might come in. We can see some people buying in right now, but we got to examine that later again. Right now, let's find some other tokens. 30 people, that's amazing actually, because the last time I streamed, it was 30 people as well, and I streamed at a great time, and now it's like nighttime for me, but I feel like lots of people are sleeping. So if you had a better time, like tomorrow, perhaps I'll stream at an earlier time for me, and there will be more people. So that's cool. Like I'm really happy to have 30 people at this time. That's really really great. And I really want to make those streams, guys. I just need to get used to it a little bit more because, as you know, like it's kind of hard for the first time. So if I'm not that great right now with speaking or with entertaining you, I will get better. That's for sure. I will get better at this. This coin, let's check it out. First waiver, 20k, really nothing interesting. I feel like you always got to look, what is the trend about? And like, I'm really not into this niche type of manga, you know, series or whatever they are. So this coin really like has a very niched down people who know it. So very little people know about this coin. Like I'm looking at this coin, I'm thinking like, what is this coin about? Like, who is this Crayon Shin Chan? Like, I literally don't know him. And I'm always careful with those coins. And especially if you know the manga, you might think emotionally, like, I know about this manga, other people must too. But in reality, guys, 99% of people like me do not know about this manga. I feel like, even though if it's famous, I have no clue. But if I don't understand the meme, I don't ape into the coins. Like the meme has to be simple, it has to be really, really general, so anyone can understand the meme, and that's extremely important. Are you from Ukraine? No, I'm not. I'm from Estonia. Nothing is happening. The Star Wars community just rewatch all the series in order. All right, that's nice. I actually watched Star Wars for the first time, like I don't know, 2 3 months ago, but I expected more. So if there are any fans, yeah, I mean, I expected a bit more. I really liked the original trilogy where there was Anakin and Padme. That was cool. I actually really, really enjoyed it. But the new ones, I mean, the new ones, they were lacking, I feel like. Let me know your opinion, guys. But not the original. I mean, Padme and Anakin are like, I think it's the second trilogy installment, if you know what I mean. This coin kind of slow mooning. We can see it's been live for 1 day. The chart looks a little bit sketchy to me, but it looks legit still. Market cap 10k, so we might have found a slow mooner. Let's now examine the project. AI-driven Web3 project on Solana, white paper, rewards, team, utilities, website. Let's check it out. This looks great. I mean, I look at the colors. This looks really magnificent, you know, for the eye, really. I'm thinking like this is nice. And they put some effort into this website. That's nice. I feel like it's a good one. Like this right here, this looks extremely nice. But you always gotta make sure, guys, that this isn't stolen, because sometimes people are creating those coins and they just get old websites. They just steal the coins name, the idea, and they just have someone else's old website for the coin or something like this. So you want to make sure from the threads and from the Telegram that you make sure that in that case it's not it's legit website made specifically for this token, which if it is, it looks great. I think it looks great because average website on PUMP.FUN is no website, or like a really simple, easy website which is not that of a bullish sign, you know? But a great website, as I always say, is a reason to buy. That's a bullish sign, really. We can see people being bullish here. So if there is a community, when it comes to slow movers, that's extremely important. As you know, community guys is key when it comes to those tokens going up or down. So it's a must for a slow mover just like this to have a great community. I don't have Telegram installed as an like on this MacBook yet, but can I open it like um, on the web? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I don't think I can. Let me know, guys, in the chat. I haven't looked at the chat in a while, so streaming is quite unusual, guys. Uh, America is awake. Yeah, it's like right now it's 2 a.m. for me. In America, it's daytime, I think. You're streaming at a great time for my time zone. Nice, that's great. Disney made the last three ones. Yeah, the last three ones, the new ones, they aren't great when it comes to Star Wars. It's a rock. Look at the traits. There are same words. Yeah, like you gotta always examine the first words. The you always gotta scroll down basically. That's for sure. That's for sure. Let's take a look right now. Those are the snipers we can see here. This is the classic account. He's buying every coin literally. This follow me. Like, is it the person who set up the account? Some kind of a bot, I'm not sure, but we can see this word literally everywhere. This is a developer. We can see something here like someone bought 4 times the same coin. Then here we can see again someone bought 4 times this coin. Then again someone bought 3 times this coin, which makes it 7 transactions in total. Definitely sketchy. Again, we can see same words buying. They're just bumping up sometimes. We can see in this case, the guy's just buying for what, like $5, or is it 50 cents? He's just pumping up the volume, but yeah, we can see him everywhere, literally everywhere. Here as well, a different wallet. This looks sketchy, so if it's small transactions, it's fine. If they're big, it's sketchy. So if those are small, it's fine. If they're big, they're sketchy. I would say this coin is fine. Always gotta check the first transactions. That's important. But let's keep it open. We can see this coin, as I told you, first waiver, not enough volume to support an uptrend, therefore it's going down. It's as well a copycat, so it's not even a trendsetter. And we can see no volume, no momentum, coins are going down, even if it's in the trend. So don't ape into coins because they're a trend. So you always got to look whether it's first in the trend or there are already like dozens of coins in that same trend. And if there are, you gotta be really careful with your picks. If they're the first, if you can catch them, great. That would be amazing for you guys. We have 37 people. I did not expect that, guys. That's a lot of people. Welcome everyone, guys. Shield this stream. I'll get better at streaming, I promise you. I'm not good at the moment. I can't even speak coherently, so forgive me for the speech, guys. It's always an issue for me. Like the stuttering, coherent speaking, I never can. I don't know why. Also the voice, it's really going away slowly. So we only have like a few hours before my voice completely like goes away. This coin, we checked it out before, right? No, we haven't. Like the thing with the MacBook, like it's my first time using it. I'm not even sure, guys. Like, how can I zoom out? How can I look at the chart how can I see the full chart? Like, I'm not sure. My first time using MacBook. So if you can tell me, guys, like I would appreciate it because I don't even know how to zoom out. But we can do this scrolling thing. We can see the coin just really consolidating all the time, slowly going up from there, now down. This coin, from the looks of the chart, I wouldn't say it's an ape at $20k in market cap. Is it a slow mooner? well, it kind of qualifies for that. It's an old coin, about 1 day old. However, the chart isn't looking that much that prosperous, not that healthy. It looks like a pump and dump where jitters get into the coin, sell, people swinging it, taking profits, and for that reason it's consolidating. So ideally, you want Slow Muna to be an old token, 1 or 2 days old, for example, could be 5-10 hours, but the chart should be going up slowly over time, just like this, as you can see here. I'm drawing it right now. Something like this is a good slow Muna if you get into the coin at 15 to 20k dollars in market cap. W stream, really happy to hear that, guys. I'm really happy to hear that. It's the same how you zoom in and out on your phone. Yeah, like the thing with the phone is that I can touch the screen, right? Like on the MacBook, I can't touch the screen. Like I'm really dumb when it comes to MacBooks and all of that. So let me know, guys. Like be more precise when it comes to how can I zoom in and out. Do it on the little mouse on your Mac, on the little mouse. Now let me open a token. Uh, like I only have this touchpad where I'm just sliding my fingers. I don't even have like a mouse. What do you mean like a small mouse? I'm not sure because I only have the touchpad. What about pre-sale Telegram groups? Yeah, it's great. I actually made a video about that strategy. I think today. Yeah, I made it today. I recorded it yesterday, but I posted it today. And on my Telegram group, we called the coin Dancing Raccoon, which did a 25x, and there was another coin, Pepe Professor, which did an 8x for us. So I'm actually going to take a look at Dancing Raccoon so I can show you the coin, which was a great one. And I think that it's the meta, the pre-sale coins, because they have demand and the community is built already before the coins launch. And that's a big advantage. I think this is the right coin. This was a pre-sale coin. We can see here there was a community before this token was even launched, and they launched at $5 in market cap. So if there are hundreds of people in the group, and in this coin's case there was like 200 people, and it's really powerful if a community shares the token everywhere. If they share the token everywhere they can, then people join in, and when the coin launches they buy in at the same time, which is creating those green prosperous, I have to add prosperous candles. You can pretty easily make 2 to 3x. Like this coin went from 5k to 120k as far as I know, but realistically you could have made, I mean, you wouldn't be making 25x because you would need to buy the bottom and sell the top, but 3, 4, 5x in this coin's case, and really easy, especially if you were in the Telegram course channel. So guys, join it. The link is in the description if you want me to send you some pre-launch coins. I'm looking for them every day. Another coin which performed great for us was this Professor Pepe, or Pepe Professor, which I can't find right now, but it did a nice X. It was like an 8x. Professor Pepe, we can see it right here. 200 replies. We can see here, really quick pump. The first candle, by the way, this coin completely failed. I have to mention that, and almost all of them will. It's about taking small profits. So the first candle, as you can see, the coin launched at $5 in market cap at this level, and the first candle, as you can see, 5-minute candles, it went to $35k in market cap, or a bit more. So that's 7 or 8x. Again, if you bought the bottom, sold the top, that's not realistic, I have to mention. Let's be honest now. However, catching a 2x, 3x could be pretty nice here. But again, those coins die. We can see it had a really short lifespan of just 1 hour or so, and the volume decreased right here, and the coin just died and it will never recover. That's what I always like to emphasize. When the coin's volume dies, it will never recover. We can see here it very clearly, and the best indicator to use really is volume. Um, there was volume and there was a pump. There is no volume, it's decreasing, and the price is decreasing. Now, it's common sense that they work in correlation. Obviously, volume, the chart, the candles, the buys, the sells. However, what you got to look at is not the volume in the moment, but you got to be examining whether the volume you predict is going up or down based on the volume and the chart right now. This is important. So here you got to look at the volume and you can't tell anything, right? You have just 3 volume candles. You have only 3 candles right here on the chart. However, you got to take a look at the volume which is gonna follow. You got to predict whether it's going up or down based on the chart and the volume. So those candles can tell you much. Where is the trend going? If it makes sense, guys. So you got to tell whether the trend is going up, the price is gonna go up. Trend is going down, volume going down, the price is gonna go down. Usually that's how it is. It doesn't always work like this. There are exceptions, but usually this is the rule. Volume, first thing you should look at. Like right here in the trade section, volume, extremely important. Also indicator volume. And this is good for slow mooners, because when it comes to slow mooners, it's really helpful. First wave tokens is the classic one. Most volume happens in the beginning. You can tell it's gonna go down without even having to predict. You just know that it's a pattern that happens on every single coin almost. We have 17 people watching, that's still nice. Talk to me, guys, in the chat. Show me some coins. Right click and reset the chart. I'm not sure how to do it. If you're talking about the zoom in, right click, reset the chart. Not sure how to do it, guys. I'll have to look this up. I used the fingers to click. Reset the chart view. Is it this? Got to pick another coin for this so I can try it out. And this, for example, 2 clicks. Again, 2 clicks. Yeah, I'm not sure how it's working. Touchpad, 2 fingers in the same time. Yeah, that's what I'm doing, but what do I do from here? Reset chart view. I'm clicking it, but what is it doing? Someone is shilling me Arrow coin. Let's check if it's on Pump.FUN. That was a misspell from me. Arak coin. So many scams in pre-sale groups. Maybe we could make a community to find good groups and go from one to the other. Good idea. Like you should join Tami.Crypto's. Tami.Crypto's Discord community. He really has nice shows from the community themselves of some nice coins. Pre-sale and really just any coins. If you guys want to slow mooners, check out Fingers and Whoops. Will do. This one is on Dex Screener. Yeah, I misspelled, Quinton, I misspelled. 2 times actually. But now Arak, which one is the Arak coin? Like I'm searching Arak right now. Which one is it? It's so many of them. Do you mean this one, like Magic Rug or something? Yeah, I think you mean this one. Yeah, I've seen it before. The chart, obviously a slow mooning chart, as you can tell, guys, which is magnificent, really. The coin was a day old, like half a day old, and it went to radium. So anytime if you bought in at this level, you have so many opportunities to buy. When it comes to slow mooners, when they are at like 15, 20 dollars in market cap, you can make a pretty safe 2 to 3x. And you should sell before radium. Now I can see it's still holding its level, its price point on radium, but they usually dump. So you should still sell before radium. That's the rule. And the classic pattern we can see here. The coin first it wakes up from, I don't know, 50k, to about usually like, I don't know, 100k, could be 70k, 60k, whatever. It wicks up a bit, then it goes down in like three candles. Usually the volume decreases. We can see it from here. Then if the volume kicks in, it's gonna go back up. As you can see in this coin's case, the volume kind of went up a bit and the coin's price followed. The coin's price as well went up. So if you can see bullish signs when the coins dump, and this is a classic pattern, as you know, this is the radium strategy. You should always take a look where the coin is going up or down. What is it doing? Does it have the volume? Usually they drop to 20k exactly. So you should always take a look at that, whether there is volume. So you can ape in like here, and this you could already make 2 to 3x. It's a 60k. Now, does this meme have enough power? It's a magic rug. You got to look at the community as well, but from the meme, I'm not sure what is the livelihood of this token. Is this meme the long-term meme? Like, will it be alive? Will it still be a great meme in 1 or 2 weeks? You should ask yourself that. Now, I don't have any knowledge about this particular meme, coin, or the community, so I can't really tell, but you always got to research that, just so you know. Now, this coin, we spotted it at $10k in market cap. It has $13k in market cap now, which is already 30% increase. Someone told it's a rug. Yes, there were sketchy transactions. You should examine that for yourself. Always do your own research. This is just entertainment, but you can see here already up 30%. Now it can dump anytime, but this looks more or less like a slow mooner so far. Let's look for some more coins. I'm gonna close those tabs right here because we haven't found much interesting coins, and we definitely should. 30 people watching, everyone welcome. Shill this live stream, shill the like button, tap the like button, so we can get more trending on YouTube or something. Misspelling of tokens, always a trend. Like there was a coin called Amazon, which I don't remember what market cap it reached. We can actually check right now. It was a PUMP.FUN coin, and I think it went to Radium. So Google misspelling is kind of a trend follower, could be. Now, can we find it? I don't remember the exact spelling. Amazon, something like that. This was the name or something. Amazon. It went to Radium, I remember. So this Google one could be a great ape. Potentially, always got to look at other signs as well. But just from the name, which is really, really important, we can tell it has some potential just from that. Someone holding 7%, that can be a little bit problematic. As you know, guys, volume is definitely there. Doesn't look fake. No one is bumping this token. So you won't really get messed up. You can see buys and sells are in big quantities. Let's check out the website. Already at $16k in market cap, 17.5k. So it's going up as I'm speaking. Nice. 18.5k. Website. Let's check out the website. This looks a bit sketchy. What is this? Can't scroll down. It's just this page. Really simple. I guess it's sort of creative, maybe a bit like the name. They made the template of their own, like Google, but really not much effort put in, really. Let's have this coin open. Curious to see where it can go. But yeah, if someone can tell me Amazon correct spelling, I will check that out as well. I just don't remember how it was spelled really. But there was an Amazon coin which performed really, really well. 32 people, welcome everyone. Really happy to do the stream. I got to get used to streaming, as I told you before, guys. Once again, I don't think I'm that good yet. It's hard to be entertaining, you know. Look at the chat and everything, but I will learn. It's really a matter of time. This coin, we can see $4k in market cap, and we saw lots of replies. So just wanted to open this because clearly dropped. If you can see lots of replies on a token, in this coin's case, like 150 replies, market cap being 4K, we can tell it's a rug. So it's always nice to examine rug pulls. Why has this coin rugged? Usually someone buying lots of token from other wallets, from many wallets. That's usually the case. But as you can see from this coin's chart, really quick dump. Was it king of the hill? Yes, very recently I think. And it just dropped down in one big candle. You wouldn't even be able to cash out of this coin. You can see people cashing out. Is it $5 or 50 cents? I don't know. But they're cashing out quite little pennies because the cabal wins if you don't examine coins for rugs. We can check the first trades because it's always in the first trades. Like when the coins rug, the developers or the cabal, they buy the coins first. Usually in big quantities as well. Developer bought 2.6 SOL, which is like 7, 8, perhaps 9% of the supply. That's already slightly too big. Sometimes what happens, we can see here, developer of that token sold for 5.3 Solana, which is a 2x profit for him. But this coin for some reason still went up. Perhaps it's a great meme, or perhaps Cabal spotted this coin and decided to pump it. We can see here quite early on some fake volume, some fake transactions coming in. We can see here, this is the sketchy part. Like this is the sketchy part, you can already tell, because there is a moment where lots of wallets are buying for big Solanas. This is quite literally $500 for each trade. Someone even bought 6.2 Solana, which is about $1K. And you got to ask yourself, why would someone put so much money into this coin? And this part to me looks sketchy. Like an organized buying 7 minutes ago at the same time. Could be real, could be fake. I would rather say that it's coordinated, some kind of fakey dekey. A group or a person buying from different wallets, then selling big on you. As you can see, 11 Solana being sold from this wallet, about $2K. You can see now everyone, absolutely everyone is selling for, once again, big Solana, 6.7, 6.2, 5.7, 4.2. Now, when someone sells big, like 11 Solana, guess what? Everyone will sell because top holders can create so much volatility and price action, like a negative price action, a dump of a coin, and people are looking at the charts, they're like, the coin dumped so much, top holder is selling, might be rug, and they're all cashing out at the same time, as you can see here. Really, everyone is panicking. Now the coin is worth nothing, but it's good to always examine such coins with just rug. Let's look for some more coins. It's nice to have that many people watching this live stream. I'm not sure how much time we have been going for. 53 minutes, that's nice. Time is going really fast. Google, by the way, the coin we have been looking at before, and this one as well is mooning. So let's check them out step by step. We spotted Google at $13K in market cap. So it's a 10x. Like, I'm sure you from the live stream, guys, you are not aping into this. Like, we don't have that much people. So it must be a real pump. And this coin went 2x. And it's in the trend, clearly. There was an Amazon coin, misspelled Amazon. Of course, Google coin is a trend follower. And it will perform well if there is volume, website, Telegram. The website was not that great, guys. However, the volume is a much better sign than a website. We can see 33K, king of the hill. It is yet to have its first dip. You know, maybe it could go to radium because there is momentum. You can see transactions literally happening every single second, which you want to be seeing when it comes to first wave tokens. Those are the tokens that need lots of volume. If you're trading slow mooners, if there are transactions like every 10 minutes, that's fine. That's actually great. Slow mooners, I repeat, shouldn't have, and they don't have that much volume. They don't need it. They just need consistent volume over time, people buying it over time. First wave tokens always need this volume, which we can see here, but great volume also means this coin can get dumped really, really quick. It can die extremely quick because it has so much volume. So volume can be a good thing when it comes to pumping. It can also be a bad thing because it's a big risk if there is much volume. So you always got to take your profits, guys. I want to emphasize that as much as I can. This coin, it went to $16K in market cap. We spotted it at 10K, so like 60%. And I told you guys, it's a slow mooner. Now someone told it's a rug, but it's slow mooning over time. For now, at least 50% profit, already great. You could have taken this out. Just education, guys. We're looking at slow mooners. We are looking to identify slow mooners or trends like this one. Great trends, you can trade first wave for sure. If you want to, why not? But you got to understand the risk because there is risk involved if you're trading the first wave tokens. Now, someone told me the coin from yesterday was Amuzen. Let's take a look. I still have the autocorrect on here, which I should disable. I don't like it. Amuzen, this one, went to Radium, as I told you guys. This is why Google is pumping. And if you spotted this Google coin early on, if you're active on PUMP.FUN, if you knew that Amazon from yesterday or from today, is it from today? I think it's from, I don't actually know. But if you spotted Amazon, you should have known that Google could pump next. So you always got to be on the lookout. The chart, pretty healthy, higher lows, two higher lows. Two good dips, two opportunities to buy in. Here, kind of risky, I don't know whether the coin is going up or down. Here, certainly a better entry, about $20K. Now it goes to Radium, 2.5x, you could sell before Radium. On Radium, you don't expect much. Coins usually just dump down. So sell before Radium, guys, not financial advice, but do sell before Radium. That's like the rule. Unspoken rule, I don't know, spoken rule. But anyway, this coin did go to $300K in market cap, which is nice. It's surprising, I would say. It's not even 1 wick. I mean, it was at this level for quite a bit. It's two 5-minute candles. No, it's two 1-hour candles. Those candles are 1 hour. Let's check 15-minute candles, I mean. So it was at this level for quite a long time. Now the volume died down. We can see it so clearly, guys. I mean, look at this. The volume here is peaking in the first wave on Radium, first beginning. Volume peaking after the first wave. Look at this volume decrease. Really clear that the coin is gonna go south from here. Now it's still somewhat holding 40K level or something, but it's not an ape right now because the coin is dead. Can it show recovery? If volume kicks in, sure. If volume doesn't kick in, no. So you gotta look at the volume right now. There was enough momentum, there was enough volume to go from 10K to 50K, 5x, but buying here at 10K, extremely risky because there is no volume. But if volume comes in, buy it for sure. Like buy coins which are on Radium, which have dipped, but suddenly now they have volume once again and they can resurrect. Perhaps we can see something interesting here. It going for a second wave if there is volume, if the community stays strong and loyal, we can see it happening 100%. So you always gotta examine. Like right now, I would be uncertain here, but if we see more bullish signs, we can re-examine, re-evaluate the coins. So you always gotta understand, guys, that our predictions whether coins are going up or down are just for like the next 10 minutes or so, because you always got to re-examine your coins as the coins you're looking at. Like before, perhaps here you could have you can tell you would have thought the coin is dead, the coin is dying, but we can see this happening now. So now we know this coin might go up again. So it depends when you're looking at. on the chart, you know? Hope it makes sense. Google performing quite nice. Is this financial advice? No. That's a great joke. Like, you always got to understand, guys, that you should trade those coins at your own risk. Obviously, not financial advice, but yeah, like those are risky plays, and Pound.FUN really is risky, guys. Like you can think from my videos or from other creators that making money on meme coins is easy, but let's be realistic, guys. Like it takes time to learn. Uh, you have to understand the market. You have to understand the charts, the volume. Like I am looking at Pound.FUN coins right now, like 2 to 3 hours a day, sometimes up to 5 hours a day, guys. And like crypto, like I'm also screening radium coins. When the market was good, I was looking at charts for like 6 8 hours a day, every single day. And that's like how I'm constantly learning. It's about constantly learning, guys, for periods of time consistently. And the thing about meme coins, guys, is that you got to learn them literally every day. You gotta keep learning every day because it's all about adaptation. Making money on crypto, with crypto, is all about adaptation, looking for new trends, for new strategies, for new knowledge. You always gotta upgrade your knowledge, upgrade yourself, because market is upgrading as well. We can see Pump.FUN literally is having an evolution. You know, before it started small, now it's big. There are multiple strategies you can utilize now. So it's really evolving itself. And you got to evolve with Pump.FUN. You got to evolve with meme coins. You want to be hand in hand with them. So it's an everyday thing. You cannot take your break for like a week because in a week you will come back and the market is going to be completely different. In a week, lots of things can change. And even a few days, if you're taking like a weekend off, you'll miss out on the new trends and on the new knowledge, really. So, as long as you're consistent every single day, a few hours a day, 30 minutes a day perhaps at least, that's like the bare minimum, screen the tokens. At the end of your day, always look which tokens went up. Collect your tabs, guys. Open 10, 20, dozens of tabs of coins from that same day which performed well so you can evaluate, guys, what happened during that day if you don't have much time, but you should do it regardless. You should really do it. This coin not happening much right now. Let's keep looking for slow mooners. You can show some in the live chat. I'm tired of crypto. It's all scam and dumps. Yes, majority of the coins, 99% of them, it's risky. It's risky. It's not all about fast and easy money. It's all about like there are lots of aspects, guys. Certainly do not get into this if you think it's free money because it's anything but free money. Like for me, it's quite literally a full-time job. Like this takes lots of effort, guys. Like if you want to trade at a lower kind of level, sure, like a few hours a day, 30 minutes a day could potentially be enough. By the way, this coin is quite interesting. Let's keep it open. Just from the chart, I mean, it's not a buy in times. There is no dip. It's at high market cap, but I'm curious where it can go, right? Like we don't have to look at this right now. We're not looking to buy in. We're just looking at the chart. From the chart, it looks kind of great. First Muna, but you should always buy the dips. Those coins often retrace 30%, 50%. So never buy the tops. Like there is no reason to buy the tops. If you're buying, like right here, if it's a great meme, if it's a great trend, and if it's a trend setter, if it's like one of the first memes in the trend, sure, you can buy it if there is enough volume, sure. When it comes to this coin, a random meme coin, I wouldn't buy the tops, guys. Just the dips. Just the dips. And hopefully the dip doesn't keep dipping to zero, because that also happens a lot. 28 people. Welcome everyone. Welcome newcomers. Really happy to have you here, guys. Join the Telegram. use Trojan bot. I haven't mentioned that once in my live stream, but I will mention it now. Trojan bot, a great bot. I use it myself. Photon also great. So guys, use Trojan or Photon because trading here it takes lots of time for transactions to go through, like 5 seconds. Depends. It really depends, but they oftentimes fail as well. At least the last time I did this from here, which I haven't done in weeks. You should just use bots, guys. There was PUMP.FUN bot as well, but use Trojan. Most functions, I'm actually posting a video about Trojan tomorrow or after tomorrow. So use Trojan, guys. Link is in the description. If you need Trojan bot, we can see this coin. Again, the first wave, the dump is astronomical. The dump is dangerous right here. Let's take a look at the volume because volume came back to this coin. Life came back. It was there. We can see volume candles went up and the coin's price went up. So if you can see, the volume is so low and suddenly it starts going up. Like you see 2, 3, 4 candles, then the coin is likely to go up in price. So the coins can resurrect. That's why you can't buy the tops. If you're buying the tops, you probably will sell here. But really, here is the time to buy. If volume kicks in, nice. You could have made 3x here already, and the market cap is only 14k. So it really dumped to like $5k in market cap. And we can keep this coin open, by the way. We can see here, Red Hat coin, this random meme coin now is dipping. Let's see if it dips down. We should always take a look at the volume because that's going to help us a lot in us having a great entry. You know, the candles are huge, but the last candle is really shallow. Look how much smaller it is. It's like those two candles are two, 3 times bigger than this one. So I'm expecting a dip here, guys. So I would say this coin is going to keep dipping a bit, maybe 30%, and then we got to re-evaluate again. But volume, as you know, great indicator, the best one. Google, let's refresh the page. $28k in market cap. So let's take out the volume indicator. Let's see if it's in correlation. So we can see the volume is slightly smaller than here. So even small decreases or increases in volume can tell you a lot. Now here it's hard to tell, like the volume right here, kind of useless. We should see the next candles. How is it gonna form? Most likely down. The coin is dipping, it's just selling pressure, having the volume. So I would say the volume is gonna go down. The coin is gonna retrace a bit. But second wave, I mean, it's still the first wave, but if it dips down, could be a great entry. You know, if you think it's gonna go to radium, right now it's at 25k. If you bought in right now, only 2x, not worth the risk if the coin can die. Really not worth the risk, that's what I feel like. This coin keeps slow mooning. As you can see, guys, when it comes to slow mooners, there is not much happening in the short time frames. There is lots of things happening over the course of hours, or sometimes 5 to 10 hours, sometimes days, but over the course of 10, 20, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, nothing much is going to change. Like slow mooners are moving slowly, hence they're called slow mooners, you know, guys. This coin dipping now. The volume indicator, oh yes, we still have it. I thought it's gone away. So let's keep tracking this coin. Now this one, having kind of a little dip, you can see here, this can tell you a lot. This is the coin's all-time high. Then this next candle has been smaller than this one. And then the third candle is smaller than the second one. So it's clearly in a downtrend right now, unless the volume keeps pumping in, which you guys can judge how likely is that. I don't think it's very likely because really random meme coin. I don't see a trend here. Hence, I think volume can die really quickly on this one. Now, this one we opened before. We can see, we can call this second wave because it went down to $5k in market cap. So already a 3x for you guys. I mean, not for you since we don't have much people here. 40 people, by the way, everyone, welcome to this live stream. But Those are a normal PUMP.FUN traders trading this coin. Um, Second wave, we can see volume kicking in again. We can see volume really bottomed out, really shallow volume. Look at the volume, look at the chart. Now, volume kicking back in, three candles, and you can see the coin is still going up and the volume is still going up. So as long as the volume keeps going up for this coin on this coin, I would say it's going to keep going up. Now, you always got to be alert and focused if you are in a trade here, because the volume can do this. The volume can just go shallow, it can go to zero, and nothing will happen. I mean, a dump will happen, a second large dump. So always take profits if you bought in here. Take profits at 2x, guys. 3x is really, really great. Small profits are the way to go, guys. As you can see here, the fourth candle went even lower than third. As you can see here, look how it's following. First one, second one lower. Third one lower than the second one. So it's in a downtrend, clearly. You can look at those dips. By the way, the volume, we need some new candles. Each candle is 5 minutes, so let's refresh. If we can see the volume again, let's insert the volume. The volume really, really helps. Yeah, we can see new volume candles right here. It is clearly down from this point where there were 3 candles quite literally peaking. Those are 50% less big. And you can see less volume, coin is going down. I would still say it's gonna keep going down. I mean, this random meme. So when it comes to random memes, trading first wave, extremely risky. Very, very risky. We can see Google here trying to hold this dip. And this is interesting here, guys. Let me refresh the chart so we can see and examine the volume and the trend of the price, the direction. We can see here that the volume is kind of keeping up. The volume is less, little bit less. That can tell you much, sure, but this could be a dip buying opportunity. If the volume keeps holding this level, it can still go up. The meme here is strong, and dips are the opportunities to buy in, really. Let's keep screening this coin. By the way, guys, we have 40 people watching, but I have to emphasize, guys, be careful. Do not ape into coins which we are opening. We're just looking, we're just doing this for educational purposes. This is the only goal of this live stream. We'll do other things as well in my next live streams. Tomorrow I can do one or two streams, we'll see. But we'll be doing different things. But this stream's purpose, education, not financial advice, not investment advice. You shouldn't ape into those coins when I'm streaming. I don't think you should, guys. You will lose money, most likely. This one, by the way, as I told you, going down, and it's really, really easy to tell. Not complicated at all. You can tell. First wave token, bad meme, could be great meme, but short lifespan meme. I don't see it being a trend, and volume candles showing us some bad signs. As I told you, Google here, if it holds the volume candles, if the volume candles are about as the same all the time, this coin can reverse, and the dip is the buying opportunity. So let's see if the candles uphold over time. And the coins are always very, very volatile, guys. Always very volatile. I haven't read the chat in a while. Let me take a look at some charts. I mean, at some chats. Mr. Poppy, hi Nick, what happens if a coin goes to radium and you haven't sold it? How do you find it to sell it? So for that, guys, use Photon or Trojan. So if you're trading here, don't trade here. Just don't trade here. Use Trojan or Photon. You won't have those kind of issues. Link is in the description. If it starts to pump back up from 50k, would it be a slow rise or a normal? You mean the Amazon coin? Depends on the volume. I'm not sure what you quite mean here. if the volume is shallow, I mean, if there is more volume than in the dip, slow rise, yes, it's most likely gonna slow rise. If the volume goes down, the coin is gonna die. That's usually how it works. Hi Nick, I have been stuck on the other live stream waiting. Yeah, the first live stream, guys, failed for some reason. Like, I'm not sure. I clicked go live, but nothing happened. So I opened another one. Did I miss anything? You can watch the stream back, by the way. This stream will be available after this live ends. So you can watch all of those 1-2 hours of this stream. You can watch it back. So you won't miss anything if you watch it later. Top wallet on Google has been spotted as a rugger. Might be completely. Let's take a look at something here. The dip, the dip still kind of risky. I don't see enough volume for this to support like a reversal here because it's struggling from the dip. It doesn't bounce back. It doesn't bounce. We can see here. So now we can reevaluate, and now we can say it's not that confident of a dip. Let's look at the volume. By the way, guys, my voice is really going away. So I might have to end this live very soon. It really happens a lot to me. I don't know why. Yeah, volume is getting shallower. Hence, the price isn't going back up. In order for the price to reverse, volume needs to be present, you know. This, as I told you, really going down. This we can see still going up, second wave or kind of the first wave, but going up over time. Pretty slow, but at 22k. We spotted it at like 13k. Guys, like my voice is really going away right now. Let's look for some more tokens. How long does a good meme coin last on Pump, on Pump.FUN? Well, usually meme coins last like a few minutes here, especially the ones which are newly launched. They don't even go up in the first place. If you look at this creation time coins, most of them do not even go up in the first place. Take this coin. Like it, and most of them won't go up in the first place, you know? Check Google Messages. Dex is prepaid, that is always a nice sign. Now, people are telling this it's a rug, but Dex prepaid usually a good sign. So if you see it with other coins, this is good. Yeah, guys, I'm actually going to drink water for 1 or 2 minutes so that we can continue this live stream because voice really is going away. So I will be back, guys. spilled some water, but let's see if my voice comes back, guys. Like it's better now. So let's see in the next 5 to 10 minutes. Just put my water away. By the way, I'm really happy, guys, to have 30 people on the first proper live stream. So if we can keep this pace up, that could be really, really amazing. Like for the future live streams, I can imagine like 50 people, 100 people. That could be really, really great for us. Excuse me, guys. Let's now continue searching for tokens. My voice is great right now. This going down, we can see the volume candles really decreasing. Let's look at some chats for now. Are you using Photon to trade or just on PUMP.FUN? No, I have to emphasize, guys, do not trade on PUMP.FUN. It's too slow. Do not trade here. Use Trojan bot, which I personally use, or use Photon. Photon is great for charts because Photon has like the fastest live charts. If you compare it with the DEX screen, it's about 10 seconds difference. And like with Bird Eye, it's like 5 second difference. So Photon is the fastest chart. You can see lower time frames on Photon. Yes, that's why Photon is great too. Like Photon has 1 second, 2 seconds. That's why Photon is great. And on this MacBook, as I said, I bought it today, guys, just for the purpose of live streaming. And I'm really happy with this purchase. It's really working for live streaming. I can see no lag, no nothing. But yes, I'll download a Photon like as soon as I can. So I can obviously now start trading myself on a MacBook that's a better screen, better chart. And like before, I was using my iPad, which has some nice screen, has nice charts still, but this is way better. Like the MacBook screen, so great. Really amazing purchase. So guys, Photon or Trojan? Those two. Can I sell a coin that goes to Radium on my Phantom wallet? Do you mean if you're using the DEX? If you want to sell on the DEX, do not sell on the DEX. It's gonna be too slow. Yeah, Jupiter or Radium, no, do not sell through Jupiter or Radium. Sell, just buy and sell with Trojan or Photon. Yeah, just those two. You can use both. You can try them out. What do you like more? You can, but definitely Photon's chart. Photon's chart. It's great. Look at Photon when it comes to screening coins. I really think Soul Warrior has a chance. We have this coin open here. By the way, do your own research. We're not pumping coins on this live. I have to clarify that. We're not doing pumping coins on the live. We're just doing our research on the coins. Does it have potential? From the chart, Slow Mooner, I'm not on the Telegram, but the website also looked great as we have checked it before. Great. Like it looks phenomenal actually. Looks so great. Gogo has a hard time right now. A really hard time. And it's most likely dead from what we can see at the moment. Let's refresh the chart. Like it doesn't look great if there is a dip and each candle is 5 minutes and in 15 minutes the coin has not been able to go back up with volume. There simply isn't enough volume, enough interest in this coin anymore. So that is the issue. Like this is the dip, but the dip is gonna keep dipping from this point. It's at $18K in market cap. We can see this chart right here is having this sort of a move, this sort of a pattern, and the chart will follow and will most likely have the same type of an outcome. Like you should really look at the volume candles because you can predict the price that way. We can see it doesn't look too bullish now, at least until we re-examine this coin if it shows signs of volume and other bullish signs. Like a great community, if you are on the Telegram, you should always take a look whether the community is still bullish on the token even when it's down. We can see DEX is prepaid. That's really great. Like if a DEX is prepaid, usually as a developer, he can use it as a bait, yes, to lure people in, but he might also, like he had an investment in the coin and DEX screener is 300 bucks. So even if he wants to dump on you, he has to ride his back until a certain point in order to sell, like 20k, 25k, 30k. By the way, the battery is going down, so I'm gonna charge it up. Now we should be charging the device. Nice. Oh, went back. That's fine. We're now back on PUMP.FUN. Let's keep looking at some coins. We can see this one isn't too bullish anymore. Ratata obviously going down. You can look at the volume, at everything. It's going down. Make sure it's charging. Power source. It should be charging. Yes, it's charging, I think. Now this coin, I don't remember when did I open it and for what reason. I don't think we even analyzed it, but we can see this one right here looks weird. Those five candles look really small. That's kind of sketchy. I think it's a fake volume. Community is bumping up the coins. Yes, that's the case. You can see community is buying up this coin just for $1, $2 worth, so that people can spot this coin on the bump order, which means there is no real volume and the coin went up just like this so fast, its first wave, and it now has no real volume. I would say it's really bad sign. And this most likely can be a rug as well. For that reason, if you can see two big candles, first wave, $30 in market cap, and now there is no real volume. You can see all those transactions are fake, and you got to be looking at the first transactions. You know, whether the cabal, the group, coordinated moves are present. You know. So we now are looking at the first transactions. Look at this. We spotted a rug, guys. This coin 100% is going to rug in a matter of time because this coin is 26 days old and I know this pattern. Look at this now, guys. Someone started to buy this coin for big Solana. Look at those transactions. Those are a person or a group or a developer trying to scam you, but this coin is dead for 24 days. It's a 1 month old token. Now ask yourself this, guys. Why would someone buy a month old token all of a sudden for this big amount of money? So many people with different wallets, doesn't it look sketchy? And yes, it does for so much big Solana, guys. And now they're creating this fake volume to lure you in, and eventually, in a matter of time, they're going to dump this coin. Really a matter of time. This is kind of slow mooning, there is no volume right now. This is going down for sure. I appreciate everyone being in the live stream. Really nice having 30 people here. This will rock, for sure. Let's look for some more tokens. By the way, guys, share this live stream to your friends on Discords, on Telegrams, literally everywhere you can, share this live stream. So we can have more people next time, so more people can tune in. This coin, pretty interesting chart, looks pretty weird to me. Let's take a look. It's a game website. You always have to keep in mind, guys, that even projects which seem to have utility, it's all a fantasy. So you're buying it for the sake of making money. So you don't care about utility, it's just a bullish sign. So it's really all a fantasy. So yes, it's good that projects have a real purpose, but don't take it seriously. That's important. AI made, that's clearly AI made. So that's like low effort, but the website actually looks great if it's not a stolen one. Let's go back, look at the chart, look at the volume. The volume really shallow. Yeah. If the volume is shallow and the coin is so new, like how much potential does it really have? Like I wouldn't buy just because of that reason. Let's close it. This is a rock. This going down, as I told you. Like I told you it's gonna go down about this level right here. As it top, I told you it's gonna go down from here. But I think it's gonna die out completely. It's not gonna recover. Still going down, Google as well. Check the battery. It's still going down. I'm not sure why it's not charging. But anyway, guys, like my voice also is kind of fading away as I'm speaking. I feel like it was a great stream already. We streamed for 1.5 hours, I think, and I really enjoyed making this stream, guys. I have to practice. I have to say, I have to practice. I'm not yet good at this, but I will get better, guys. Make sure you share this channel, share this live stream, and I'll be back, guys, tomorrow for 1 or 2 live streams. All right, guys. I'll announce it on Telegram, on my Telegram channel. So join it in the description. Telegram channel as well. Check out Photon and Trojan if you haven't yet. But this was a great live stream, and I wish you all a magnificent and prosperous PUMP.FUN trading during this night, guys. And see you in the next live stream.